Hi, my name is Stephanie Kensler, and I'm a planner with the City of Columbus Planning Division. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the Columbus Site Information Resource Application, also known as CSIR. You can access CSIR by going to gis.columbus.gov/CSIR. Once the application loads, the first thing that you'll see is the user agreement. Please take the time to read through it prior to use. Then check, I agree, and click OK. Now you should see the home page for CSIR with the City of Columbus boundary outlined in orange. You can use CSIR to find a variety of information ranging from citywide to individual addresses or parcels. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the layers and search features as well as how to navigate the informational pop-ups. So let's start with layers. On the right side of your screen, you should see the Layers List menu. If you don't see it automatically, just click on the Layers icon at the top right of your screen. It looks like 3 pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. In the Layers List, you'll see 4 different categories: base map layers, zoning, policy-related information not code, and ED housing. Within each layer, you can click on this little caret to see a list of different types of information you can query by turning on and off these sublayers. To turn any layer on or off, just select the checkbox next to the corresponding layer. You can have multiple layers on at a time. One thing to note is that some of the layer names may appear gray. You can still turn those layers on or off. It just means that you need to zoom in or out for that layer to appear on the map. In CSIR, you can zoom in and out by either using the scroll on your mouse or the plus or minus icons in the top left of your screen. Now let's explore some of the layers you may find useful. First, parcels. This layer is automatically turned on and provides you with the parcel number, address, and owner information. Additionally, it links to the Franklin County Auditor's website for more information. Under zoning, the historic properties and historic district layers will show you where the historic properties and districts are located throughout the City of Columbus. The area commission layer. This layer shows the boundaries for all of the area commissions within the city. And then the base zoning layer. This is an example of a layer that may appear gray. You'll notice that when we click to turn the layer on, nothing happens. This layer contains the zoning data for all of the parcels within the city, so we have to zoom in pretty tight for the information to become visible. So now that we've zoomed in, you can see the base zoning layer data. Okay, let's turn that off and we'll zoom back out. And then we'll look at adopted plan recommendations layer. This layer will look similar to the base zoning layer, but they're not the same. This layer tells you which plan document covers the parcel you're looking at, when it was adopted, and what land use that plan recommends. This layer also lets you know where the area is in terms of Columbus Citywide Planning Policies, or C2P2, adoption. Finally, this layer provides a link to the Planning Document Library, where you can find the applicable plan document and review it in more detail. With any layer that you turn on, the detailed information will be available in the pop-up. So now let's switch over to looking at the search bar. The easiest way to locate a property in CSIR is to use the search bar. Using the search bar is fairly straightforward. You just click and start typing the address you're looking for. You can also click the caret next to the search bar if you want to change the parameters of your search. Say, search by intersection rather than specific address. Let's look at an example. Let's try 1521 North 4th Street. Type that in, and then the application will zoom to the parcel that you searched. Then you would just go to your layers list and turn on the appropriate layers to find the information you're interested in. So for this example, I will turn on 3 of the layers we just looked at. Let's go area commissions, base zoning, and adopted plan recommendations. Now we'll just click on our parcel, and we will navigate through the pop-up. First thing you should notice is in this blue bar here, it says search results 1 of 5. That is because we have multiple layers turned on. and we'll use our little caret here to navigate from page to page. So for 1521 North 4th Street, the base zoning is C4, which is a commercial zoning district. The applicable plan is the University District Plan that was adopted in 2015. The specific land use recommendation for this parcel is neighborhood mixed use. C2P2 has not been adopted, and just like before, here's the link that I mentioned to the plan document library. Next, we have the area commissions. This parcel is covered under the University Area Commission. And lastly, we have the parcel data. If you'll recall, I said this layer is automatically turned on and contains the parcel number, the address, and the owner information. But also, here's the icon that you would click to link out to the Franklin County Auditor's website to see all of the information they have available for the property. And with that, we conclude our brief introduction to CSIR, including the layers list, search function, and informational pop-ups. We hope that you found this useful, and thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at planninginfo@columbus.gov. Thank you.